Hey Kafka explorers, welcome back to our Kafka series, where we make complex concepts crystal clear. What is ZooKeeper? Presenter. Apache ZooKeeper is a distributed coordination service. It's used to manage distributed systems like Kafka, keeping them in sync, organized, and fault-tolerant. Why does Kafka need ZooKeeper? In Kafka, especially versions before 2.8, ZooKeeper plays a critical behind-the-scenes role. It acts like a central brain that helps Kafka brokers communicate and coordinate with each other. Real-life analogy: ZooKeeper as a team manager presenter, fun visual of office workers and a manager. Imagine a team of warehouse workers, Kafka brokers. Who keeps track of who's doing what? Who decides who leads and who follows? That's ZooKeeper, the team manager. It ensures there's no confusion. There's always a leader for each partition. All brokers know who's online and who's crashed. Main roles of ZooKeeper in Kafka. Leader election ensures one broker is the leader for each partition. Metadata management keeps info about brokers, topics, and partitions. Health monitoring detects failed brokers and triggers leadership reassignment. Cluster coordination keeps all brokers aware of each other. Without ZooKeeper, early versions of Kafka can't function correctly. But wait, isn't Kafka moving away from ZooKeeper? Yes, starting with Kafka 2.8 and fully in Kafka 3.x+, the community introduced KRaft Mode, a new internal metadata quorum that replaces ZooKeeper. It makes Kafka simpler, faster, and easier to deploy. So, ZooKeeper is important in traditional Kafka, but newer Kafka versions can work without it. Quick recap. ZooKeeper is a coordination service for Kafka. It handles leader election, metadata, and broker health. Kafka needs ZooKeeper, unless using KRaft Mode. Kafka is gradually moving away from ZooKeeper in newer versions. And that's ZooKeeper in Kafka, the silent organizer making sure everything runs smoothly. Like the video if this cleared it up for you. Comment below if you're curious about KRaft Mode, and subscribe for more bite-sized Kafka learning. Catch you in the next one, and as always, keep learning, keep streaming.